Mining is the extraction of minerals, metals, and other valuable geological materials from the Earth's crust. While mining supports economic growth through employment creation and foreign currency earnings, it also leaves behind serious environmental and land degradation challenges. Mitigation measures are proactive steps taken to reduce, control, or avoid the harmful environmental impacts of mining during operations. Rehabilitation measures, on the other hand, are corrective actions applied after mining operations have ceased, aimed at restoring the mined areas to a usable or natural state. 10 Mitigation and rehabilitation measures of mining areas. 1. Land reclamation and backfilling. After mining, excavated pits and open-cast mines should be filled with waste materials, leveled, and covered with topsoil. This prepares the land for future use in agriculture, forestry, or settlement. 2. Reforestation and afforestation. Planting trees and grass in degraded mining areas restores the natural vegetation cover, controls soil erosion, improves air quality, and helps in the recovery of biodiversity. 3. Construction of tailings dams and waste disposal sites. Mine tailings and waste materials should be safely disposed of in lined and controlled tailings dams to prevent contamination of nearby water bodies and land. 4. Water treatment and pollution control. Polluted water from mining sites should be treated using sedimentation tanks, filtration systems, or chemical neutralization before it is released into the environment to safeguard aquatic ecosystems and public health. 5. Dust and air quality management. Water spraying on dusty roads, installing dust collectors and exhaust filters on mining machinery, and creating green belts around mines reduce air pollution caused by dust and gaseous emissions. 6. Environmental impact assessments, EIAs. Before starting any mining activity, thorough EIAs must be conducted to identify potential environmental impacts and recommend appropriate mitigation strategies to protect the environment and communities. 7. Controlled use of hazardous substances. Chemicals such as mercury and cyanide used in gold processing should be handled under strict regulations and disposed of properly to prevent contamination of soil and water resources. 8. Resettlement and compensation of affected communities. Mining companies should fairly compensate and properly resettle people displaced by mining operations, providing them with alternative land, housing, and livelihoods to restore their quality of life. 9. Stabilization of mine dumps and slopes. Stabilizing mine waste dumps and pit slopes through terracing, retaining walls, and vegetation reduces soil erosion, landslides, and collapse hazards, protecting both the environment and nearby settlements. 10. Monitoring and enforcement of mining laws and environmental regulations. Regular inspections by government authorities, enforcement of mining regulations, and penalties for non-compliance ensure that mining companies operate responsibly and rehabilitate areas after mining.